Hello and welcome to my channel. Today another Easter special. Today I'm going to show you a couple of wonderful, cute and awesome Easter bunny crochet patterns. And all these crochet patterns, listen very carefully, are completely free. Yes, they are. Woohoo! Let's dig right in. First up, these wonderfully massive Easter bunny pillows. How cute are they? A fantastic addition to your Easter decorations and are great for snuggling with. And a little bit smaller but not less cute are these boxy little Easter bunnies or bunnies, but you can make Easter them up, giving them a little egg or something or a little bow. They're very cute. I love the little faces and their little um, skirts. Very sweet. And of course, the traditional chocolate Easter bunny is also present. Lovely little ribbon and button eyes, very cute. Different sizes as well. Fantastic, and no calories. And I love this one. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's sweet, it's perfect little gift for a baby shower or some other child that has birthday near Easter. It's fantastic. It's very cute. Love the color scheme as well. And this is a little bit more easy to crochet, so perfect for beginners. Sweet little bunnies, perfect to add to a little Easter basket or add as a little gift or something. Make them in your favorite colors, and here they are all lined up. Absolutely sweet. And it's more of a granny circle kind of Easter bunny, very hippie. I love the striped ears and I love the little color burst belly. And here they are in different colors, very sweet, very huggable, and absolutely lovely. Now, completely different kind of bunny, crocheted with these massive pipe curls. I don't even know what to call them. Very cute. Love the matching ribbon and ears. And here's a little girl dressed as the Easter bunny. Look at her little basket. She's distributing Easter eggs. She is adorable. And this one is, I think, the find of the century. This guy with his basket, and here he is standing, is a free pattern. Can you believe it? How wonderful of the designer to make this pattern available for free. Go grab it before it's gone, people, because this is the ultimate Easter bunny crochet pattern. Absolutely adorable. And the little bow tie makes him very snazzily dressed. Now this one works up a little quicker and easier, very Scandinavian type of feel to it, very minimalistic. I love the little miffy kind of snout there. It's and the little pom-pom tail, of course. Very cute. Love this color scheme. Love it. Now this cute little bunny combines fabric with crochet. I love the colorful fabric ears, inner ears, I suppose, and the little heart as well. Little bow tie and a beautiful little basket filled with Easter eggs. Chocolate. Yum. Now, these are not strictly Easter bunnies, but they are adorable and sweet, and they have their own little carrot home. It's absolutely adorable. And of course, a little carrot to eat. I mean, you have to have those num-nums. I love this one. It's very, it's adorable with his big belly and sweet little face, and it's simple to make, and I just something about it that I really like. Maybe it's the shape or something. I'm not sure. This is a little more of a kawaii rabbit. It's very sweet, adorable, and has the cute little eyes there, and of course the red cheeks. Adorable, very sweet. And that's it for the Easter Bunny crochet patterns. I hope you found one that you like. Go grab it. They're absolutely free, and the link to all of these wonderful patterns is in the description below. And I wish you happy Easter crocheting.